Thanks for giving me your number, eh?
Yeah, you're welcome.
I'll be in touch with you.
Excuse me, please. I forgot to ask you. What do you do for a living again?
I work in a car maintenance company.
Oh, wow. You must be very rich.
You're underrating me.
Oh, my God.
I'm a billionaire. I'll call you.
Oh, call me.
I'll spoil you.
Jesus. Nigerians.
Need the keys.
If I like pity this boy, every day now be late with a shameful decor.
You think say they wise?
Not be your job in this. Wow. Sorry, is this the car maintenance company you work with?
You don't know.
As you can see, this part of the maintenance.
You maintain trucks too.
God. You gonna explain tire?
Big ones.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Wow, car maintenance company indeed.
They say
Keep up with the good job.
money don't buy you
Okay?
happiness.
Keep it up.
Money
Excuse me. Can I still?
You try if you say that nonsense you want to say now.
Come, Alpha bros. Omo, you never watch this car finish.
I beg, no first, bros. Remain small.
Well done, oh. Well done, car maintenance company.
I beg.
I saw you dey delay person. I no get time again. Guy, 2 seconds.
Oshimka.
Hello!